Endive is a nutritious leafy green that is a great addition to any organic garden. It belongs to the chicory family and is grown for its crisp, bitter leaves. Endives like cool weather, and the leaf varieties are spring and fall crops in Zone 6. Belgium Endive is a three-step process that we'll cover later in the video. Endive includes several plants, including crispy endive, frizzy endive, Belgium endive, and radicchio. They have a sharp, sometimes bitter taste. Endive is not as popular as it used to be, but is well worth exploring. Belgium endive is a great winter food. Hi, I'm Amy, a master gardener and environmental educator. Links to my books and Amazon author page are in the description. Welcome to my channel. It's good to have you here. Crispy endive often looks like lettuce and has elongated, flatter leaves or finely serrated leaves. It's great in salads and stir fry. Leaf endive is a fast grower and takes between 42 and 52 days to mature. It grows best when soil temperature is consistently between 59 and 77 degrees Fahrenheit. You can start endive from seeds directly sown into the ground or by transplanting seedlings. Plant seeds a half an inch deep and place transplants 4 to 6 inches apart. They do well in a square foot garden design with lettuces. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water your endive plants deeply, once or twice a week, allowing the top inch of soil to dry between waterings. Mulching around the plants can help to retain moisture and prevent weeds. You know how in Zone 6, spring tends to morph into summer in 2.5 seconds? I typically run around putting shade cloth on my cool weather plants. Endive does not like hot weather. In fact, it's very tolerant of fall frosts, down to the 20s. It will also do well in areas that receive partial shade. The soil should be well draining, rich in organic matter, and have a slightly acidic to neutral pH level, so 6 to 6.8. Radicchio is known for its distinctive deep red or purple leaves with white veins, which add a burst of color and a slightly bitter flavor to salads and various cooked dishes. It comes in a range of compact round heads, kind of like cabbage, to looser lettuce like heads. Some radicchios are less compact and have beautiful leaves. This one is called Castelfranco. Radicchio typically takes longer to mature, at around 65 to 85 days, depending on the variety. It is a bit hardier than leaf endive and can be sown when soil temps reach 50 degrees. Endive is generally resistant to diseases, especially when grown in healthy, well-drained soil. Keep an eye out for common pests such as aphids, snails, and slugs. Use organic insecticidal soap or neem oil, or just pick them off to control infestations. Belgian endive is a unique and versatile vegetable that was once considered a winter survival food. A European delicacy, it is known for its distinct elongated shape and pale color. Belgium endive is a unique three-step process. The first step is similar to growing other endives. You just directly sow the seeds after the first frost date and allow the greens to grow. This variety is called Bingo, and it is from Johnny's Seeds, and this one takes about 115 days. You are actually growing for root development, so allow the plants to mature into the fall. The second step is where it gets interesting. You harvest them in the fall, cut off the leaves, and keep the roots. Store the roots in a dark, cold place for 2 weeks. Don't wash them, but strive to have them in 32 degree Fahrenheit with 96 to 98% humidity. Next, you're going to remove them from their cold storage and fill containers with a sandy potting mix, leaving some space at the top. Plant the roots about 6 to 8 inches apart. Bury them in the soil, leaving the crown just above the surface. Water the soil so it is all moist. Make sure you have a completely dark spot for them. This step is crucial as it induces the endive to form compact heads in the absence of light. Your location should be between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit. A basement or root cellar works well for this stage. You can also do this outside under dark landscaping fabric if you don't have a basement but have the proper temperature. After about 30 to 60 days, the Belgium endive should be ready for harvest. Remove the covers and cut the heads at the base. Braised endive is a popular dish. Both endives and radicchio are also great on the grill. I love trying new and unusual vegetables, and I hope you give the endives a try. Check out this video on mustard greens next, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and have a fabulous sunny day.